Hi, I'm going to take you through the Stihl battery range. So we at Fraser Robb's here sell a lot of the AK range in batteries. So this here is the BGA 57. The BGA 57 is a domestic blower, excellent for small gardens. So the AK range comes with three different types of batteries. This is the AK 30 battery, and you get an AK 20 and you get an AK 10. And each battery works in the same format. You fully charge them. This one's fully charged and has the 4 green lights on it. And it goes 4, 3, 2, 1. And then when it's at 1, you need to charge it up. The AK range of batteries comes with the AL101 charger. Really easy to use. This is a brand new charger. Just plug it into the wall. You slot the battery in, and then it will go green when it's fully charged. And when it sits in the charger, it will go 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can take it out at any time if you want to continue using it, or wait till it's fully charged. Once it's fully charged, the charger and the battery will switch itself off, which means you can have it sitting in your shed and it's just sitting there waiting for you to use. All batteries are very, very easy to install into the machines. You just put them in, 1 click, 2 clicks, and then it's ready to go to work. And all of the AK range are very, very simple to use. Just a couple of buttons and then press it and off it goes. So the AK battery range on this battery here, the AK 30, can be used against multiple different products. So you can use it on a chainsaw, on the MSA 60s and 70s. You can use it on strimmers, on the FSA 57s, 60s, on the hedge trimmers, and the HSA 50s and 60s. So it can be used across the full AK range from Stihl.